Okay, now we have this activity. This is called shopping, right? I'm going to come to you all one by one, and there are certain items which you have to buy from the market. You will talk about 5 items that you want to buy. Okay, let's make it 3 items that you want to buy, and you will give proper reasons, right? For example, first of all, I would like to buy a nice jacket because winter has already set in and I do have some jackets, but I want to buy a colorful jacket, especially red, white, and the mixed color jacket, and it should be sleeveless one. So this is the first thing I would like to do. Secondly, I would like to buy a pair of gloves because in winter I usually go to northern areas and there I see the snow as well, and sometimes I try to make a snowman, and for that I need a good pair of gloves. So I would like to buy a pair of gloves, and for gloves I think I will buy black gloves, and they should be made of leather because leather gloves are really warm from inside and I can easily use them when I go to northern areas. Thirdly, I would like to buy a gadget which is used with the camera. It's called YOLO box, and then you can put your videos online directly. You can do it live on Facebook and YouTube. So that box is on my shopping list as well because sometimes I want to come online. If I come online on mobile, it's not quite good. The quality, the clarity, these things are not good. So if I use that box, it's more like a device like this. I'll put it here, and then whatever I do, I can easily come live using my DSLR cameras. So these are the things I would like to purchase, and very soon I'll buy them all. Understand? 2 to 3 things you want to buy. Why do you want to buy them, and all that. So let's start from you. You can just speak on it. Yeah.
Well, firstly, I would like to buy a camera from the shop market
Okay.
because I am very fond of.
I am fond of photography.
I am fond of photography, and I am also fond of exploring the nature. So and going different, going to
I
different
go
places.
to I go to different
Go to
places.
different places, and therefore and there I would like to take pictures and take the pictures of nature and the beautiful things, and in future these pictures will be very memorable for me.
Good. So
And
therefore, I would like to buy
a
a
camera,
digital
digital
camera or
camera.
DSLR.
Yes, sir.
Now, second thing,
Second thing,
mobile.
second, second
Yeah,
thing, I would like to buy a laptop for me.
laptop.
Uh,
Why laptop?
because I am studying, and laptop is very important for me for studying, for making assignments for my college, and I would also like to buy do online shopping. So by using laptop, we can buy we can do online shopping within a seconds, and the thing we want deliver us in a very few time. And
Okay,
thirdly,
the final thing, third one.
third one, I would like to buy bag
I would
for,
like to buy a bag.
for me,
Okay.
because whenever I mm, uh, visiting somewhere or
Whenever I go anywhere.
going anywhere, this bag is very important for me for my keeping my things safe,
Mm-hmm.
for my documents will be safe in in this bag,
Hmm.
and also for my food, for
So therefore, I would like to buy a bag,
yes,
and that bag will be very handy and useful. I can easily put my personal belongings in
in
that and
that.
all that. Try to speak clearly, loudly,
So
right? Yeah. Okay, let's go on. What is on your shopping list, please?
First, I need to buy a Kindle. It
Good.
is a smart,
Yeah. Kindle.
smart device used to read books,
Which
and
is used to
which
read
is
books.
used to read books, and it is very helpful, and it has no distractions as usually we have in laptops or
Mobile phones
tabs,
and all that. Yeah.
or that.
And 3 things, 3 items.
Okay,
Hmm.
and I need to buy a laptop.
I would like to buy a laptop. I need to buy is also good. First you said I need to. Now you say I would like to. And finally you can say I also want to. So try to use a variety of words. That will be better. So,
Uh, I would like to buy a laptop. I already have one laptop,
yeah.
but it is not good for graphics and for doing other uh, graphical tasks. So I would like to
I would like to buy a latest laptop with good
buy a laptop
graphics.
with a graphic card.
Okay. All
And
right. And final item on your list?
Final item on my list is digital pen
Okay.
to use on laptop or computers. It would help me to deliver online lectures, and I can draw different drawings and sketches to aid.
Okay. All right, fantastic. So this thing you can purchase from Hafiz Center, I guess, the digital pen
Yes,
and all that.
yes.
Okay, awesome. Very good. Next one, please. What is on your shopping list? That 7 million machine? Yeah. Okay.
I would like to buy land,
Okay. I would like to buy a piece of
piece
land
of land at Riven Road,
on Drive-In Road.
on Riven Road for farmhouse,
Okay.
because I like farmhouse. I want to put there. That's why I want to put there cattle,
I want to keep or raise cattle there.
raise
I
cattle.
want to raise cattle.
raise cattles,
Cattle.
and birds,
Okay.
and vegetables, organic food, for
Okay.
organic food,
Okay.
because nowadays we cannot get organic food from market,
Hmm.
and I need to buy now cotton fabric for,
Okay.
because summer is coming.
Hmm.
Because we are prepare for summer,
Okay, now you are preparing for summer.
summer collection.
Right.
Yes, because this is big season, summer,
Summer is a big.
Summer
Is
is
the
season.
longest one.
longest one. Nowadays we are searching prices.
We are searching or we are checking the
We are checking
prices.
prices.
Prices. Yeah.
Because all mills are producing nowadays loan,
Okay.
cotton loan.
Right.
This is season for cotton loan.
Okay. So you would like to buy some
Buy some,
cotton and
yes.
all that. All right. Good.
I want to buy some new machines for my unit, because we need more machines, because we have more orders. We cannot work from outside,
Okay.
because if in one roof is all things is available, is quality is good.
Okay. If under one roof everything is available. Yeah. So then the quality will be
quality
good.
will be good.
That's great. Very good. Please, you. What is on your shopping list?
I would like buy a car.
I would like to buy a car.
Because I love cars,
Good.
and I like to drive,
Good.
and I buy clothes for my children.
I will buy
Winter
clothes for my children.
winter clothes,
Hmm.
because winter is come.
Yeah, winter has almost started.
Started. And also I buy for children cool thing.
I'll buy some good clothes for children, some woolen clothes, some jackets and uppers and all that. Okay, that's
Yes.
fine. And that's it?
And
Yeah, one final thing, car and clothes and then
and book from bookstore. What
books, stationery shop, bookshop.
bookshop?
You want to buy something for your children from bookshop?
Yes.
Okay, what do you want to buy?
Books.
I want to buy books for my
books
children.
I would
I
like
would like to buy books.
buy books for children
Good.
and bags.
Okay, that's fine. Please, you. What is on your? She's buying car already. You don't need to buy
I
car.
want to also buy a car.
Oh, you want to buy another car? Okay, good.
First thing, I want to buy shoes,
I want to buy a pair of shoes.
pair of shoes, because I have shoes right now, but I want to buy another because
Okay, you can say I have a very good collection of shoes already.
I have
A very good collection
very good collection
of shoes already.
shoes
But
already.
I want to buy.
But I want to buy another
Okay.
because summers are coming now. Are coming.
We are starting winter. Winter शुरू
Oh,
हो नहीं
sorry,
रहा, summer
winter.
आ रहा है, हाँ? For businessmen, it is something different. For you, it is different. You are consumer. Okay? So for you, winter is starting. And for the business people, summer. They are preparing for summer. In summer, they prepare for winter.
Yeah, I'm businessman.
All right.
Sorry, I because it's winters are coming, so I want to buy long shoes for when I will travel to Murray and the northern areas.
Okay.
Uh,
Long boots.
long boots,
Okay.
yeah. I want to buy long boots. It should be warm from inside.
They should be warm. Shoes, boots, plural. So they should be warm from inside.
They should be warm from inside. I that's why I want to buy shoes.
Okay. All right.
And
And
second thing, I want to buy bicycle.
you want to buy a bicycle? Good.
No,
Mountain bike?
Motorcycle, sorry.
Motorbike.
Motorbike, yeah. Because it's very helps you in the city,
It helps you within the city.
within the city, because it's very traffic.
Yeah, because there is so much traffic congestion
Congestion.
and cars get
Con-
stuck. Traffic congestion. Congestion.
Congestion.
Good. Yeah.
That's why I want to buy one bike.
I want to buy a bike, so you can go anywhere on the
Yeah,
bike.
yeah.
But be careful. Now you must wear helmet,
Yeah.
gloves, and all that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very
Bikes are
important.
very dangerous.
And second thing, and last thing is I want to buy a car.
Car.
Because I used to have in Saudi Arabia, but now in Pakistan I don't have a car.
The cars you can afford in Saudi Arabia, that they are very difficult to afford in Pakistan.
Yeah.
Yeah. The same cars are in like very expensive.
yeah,
There they're
it's-
not very expensive, but here, and even petrol is more expensive here. So which one do you want to buy?
I'm trying to buy a Honda City.
All right, Honda City is
Because it's,
reasonable. Yeah,
Very economical car.
it's got
That's-
good mileage and everything.
Yeah, it's when you will travel with your family and you are going to Islamabad like this, you have to you need to
Which family? This family or
yeah,
another
this
family?
This
You-
family,
Islamabad, Murray, and all that. Okay.
this family and friends, etc.
Oh, I understand that. Okay. All right. That's great. And
That's why I want to buy a
fantastic.
car.
Very good. So see that, I mean, whatever you wish to buy, shopping is always fascinating for everybody. Right? So, you know, what we are trying to do, we are trying to speak English in different ways, different situations, different circumstances, so that in real life, whenever you come across something, you should be able to elaborate that very thing well, right? Okay, thank you.